Hello friend, on this video I will show you the mini receiver Flysky FS2A 4 channel and how to binding it with Flysky FS-I6 transmitter. The receiver is look like this. It's very small and just about 9 gram. It's come with pin to connect the AC and servo. Soldering is required. If we compare it with the FS2A6B receiver, it will look like this. Now, how to bind it? First, connect UAC to receiver. Connect to channel number 3. Then, connect your servo to channel number 1. There is a small bind button here. Press and hold the bind button and connect the battery. The receiver will blinking like this. Now, press and hold the bind button, then turn on the transmitter. The receiver will blinking slowly than before. It means the transmitter and receiver is connected. Let's make a test. Turn on the transmitter and connect the battery. Well friend, that is for today. See you on my next video.